Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how can you open your CAD files you've created onto your base FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. So now in the previous video we looked at saving our CAD file. So now let's say we wanted to open this file in our normal program, so to do some cutting on that, or at least simulate it maybe with a cam. Then we want to just look at how to do that. We have covered this in other mini series, but I figured this will be a handy little feature to know if you've not run through the other ones and you are busy working with CAD. So like I mentioned, let's say you have done your design, don't worry yet about all these features. We're going to still cover them. So if you can't actually make a design yet, don't worry, we are heading there. But now let's say you have done this, and what you want to do is go to your base program, and you can either restart the program. I'm just going to simply go here, file, and close CAD, and then here we're in our base. So now in our base, it is important that you first go, you don't have to, but if you want to preview this in your cam, you should first do this step, and that is to go new sheet. Then I'm going to select the base sheet of 2000, or let's make 1000 by 1000. Put a basic thickness so it fills in the rest, and say okay. Now here we've got our sheet. So now what I want to do is I want to go open file. So on this big top icon here, by this primary toolbar, we've got these icons, and this one says open file. I'm going to click that and then navigate to that open contour file that we had. Then say select, say how many do I want? Do I want to nested or manual? I'm just going to say manual 1, and then we simply go add. Okay, this one has got a closed contour, so we'll have open contour, so we'll have to just quickly in our settings allow open contour. So what I did there is I went to configuration on top here with the gear. So if you have closed shapes, you don't have to worry about this. It will just import it. But otherwise, we go to contour, configuration, go to the first tab, import, and then we select this allow import open contours. We select and say apply and okay, and then we try that quickly again. We go open contour, select, make it manual quantity 1, so we're only adding one shape, say add, and there we have our shape. Tiny little thing, I didn't know we were working on such a small shape, but there you go, we've got our shape that we just created in our CAD tool. So that is quite handy to know. I'm just going to switch off the open contours. You don't have to keep it on if you've imported your contours, you can put it off and carry on. But yeah, otherwise that is it on opening your CAD files in the actual FabriCAM software. So just to keep in mind, this feature CAD to this feature is very different. You will work with them separately. But yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.